Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming in 2025. And here are some effective tips for you to get this started. So the first thing you have to do is to enable the game mode. So to enable your game mode, just turn on the game mode in the settings, then to prioritize the gaming performance and also update your GPU drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date for best performance, and also adjust the power settings. So set your power plan to high performance to maximize system resources, and also disable background app, and also turn off the enhanced pointer precision, and also enable hardware accelerated, which is the GPU scheduling. This reduce the lateness and improve performance. And also debug the Windows 11. Remove unnecessary pre-install apps to free up system resources. And also you also have to monitor you have to, if your monitor support HDR, enable auto HDR for better vision. And also optimize storage. Ensure you have enough free space to on your C drive for smooth gaming. And also check game specific settings to adjust in game settings for optimal performance based on your hardware. And that's the tips that can help you optimize Windows 11 for gaming. Find the video on full, turn on the notification button and follow from